So we had some trees knock over, and Ben's been wanting to for a while cut this one downed tree and have this base and root go back up. So we'll see if that can happen.
Too close to that.
No. Okay, okay, it's moving.
It is?
Yes. Keep going.
I don't know how much I have to go behind me.
You've got 6 feet. 3 feet. Stop. Go.
It doesn't seem like that big of a deal when you look at it now, but like you're always afraid you're gonna die when you do something. I mean, I didn't want to be down there. I didn't know how fast it was gonna fall when I know it would go slam, and I didn't really want to be near it. So a pulley hit me, and of course you go to Amazon.com and you type in pulley, and it's all kinds of pulleys. This one was like, I don't know, $18, $20. I don't know, some simple little nothing pulley that claimed to have 4,400 pounds of pull strength, which 8-to-1 advantage gave me, up to 500 pounds of tugging on it. So I thought, all right, well, we'll just bring it up and pull it back. And I guess 4,400 pounds was enough to